Ever wondered what a blind base cabinet is and how it can be useful in your kitchen design? Let's dive in. A blind base cabinet is a unique storage solution designed to fill in spaces near corners where two different cabinet lines intersect. They extend the middle style, the piece that separates the door openings. Now you might be wondering what sets these cabinets apart. Let's delve into the unique features of blind base cabinets. These ingenious cabinets are designed to fill the awkward corner space in kitchens where two different cabinet lines intersect. The part of the cabinet hidden behind the adjacent cabinet doesn't have doors, creating an extended middle style that separates the door openings. They require a pull space for easy access and a filler to cover the space between the cabinets, which should match the color and material of the cabinets. These cabinets are the secret storage superheroes, maximizing every inch of your kitchen. But every silver lining has a cloud, doesn't it? While blind base cabinets provide additional storage, there are some challenges to consider. The main issue is access. The hidden space these cabinets provide can make reaching items stored there quite tricky. This inconvenience puts a premium on strategic storage, making these cabinets ideal for seldom used items. So how can you decide if blind base cabinets are the right fit for your kitchen? Making the right cabinet choice is crucial for your kitchen design. When deciding on blind base cabinets, it's essential to weigh both the unique features and challenges they present. Consultation with a kitchen designer can provide valuable insight on whether these cabinets are a good fit for your space. They can help you understand the necessary pull space, the use of fillers, and how to best utilize the hidden storage. And let's not forget, accessing items stored in the blind space can be a bit tricky. Remember, the right cabinet can make all the difference in your kitchen design. Choose wisely.